There it is, what a beauty. And also it balances with 8,000 milliamps now, so making the nose was worth it. But first, I have to address the elephant in the room. I got a sponsor now. I have no idea. Let's test them. So turns out they don't really weld all that good. Maybe it's a product design flaw. Let me try the other side. No, I don't think. Maybe it's a product design flaw. Could be. Long story short, don't send me fucking promo shit. I already have a friend who ruined his whole Instagram with all this promo shit. Really annoying. Let's fuck this shit up some more. Okay, but maybe it's my fault and I just did it wrong. Let's test the other side. Nope, same result. Probably a product fail, something like a manufacturing problem. Yeah. So yeah, in my final review, I can only tell you I'm highly disappointed. It's just not the product I expected. It really isn't. And the bad quality just shows. They don't even fit snug in the case. So yeah. Let this be a lesson to everyone who tries to send me some promo shit. This is pissing me off. It really is. This is morally wrong. Yes, you get a free product, but if it's shit and you still say, oh no, it's so good, you are deceiving your fellow humans. So, yeah, no. So I'm going to do the only morally correct thing. And I will, of course, send this back. So they can fix this product for the next review cycle. And if you ever think about, peddling a product like this, make sure you don't lose your credibility. Because if you join a chat, a group chat, and tell me, no, this product is really good, I'm not even sponsored this time, I question whatever you do. And like I said, I think that's morally wrong. You don't have to agree with that. That's the nice thing about being human. So let's send this back to China, aren't we? Oh shit. Don't like this one bit. That's what happens if you only get one shot, because I only got one. But I think this. Give me a second. I'm sorry, highly unprofessional. It was so cool. Warranty card, really important. Professional mode. So yeah, let's send this economically back to China. God damn it!